5 foods to fix your gut. Couch potato can sit on the couch for hours without moving a single fry. Couch potato can scroll through TikTok until their fingers go numb. Couch potato can binge an entire Netflix series, order takeout, and still have the energy to find just one more episode. But tell Couch potato, let's fix your gut health, and suddenly Couch potato turns into a tragic opera singer. Everything hurts. Everything is too complicated. Couch potato promises to start eating healthy tomorrow. But 5 minutes later, Couch potato is halfway through a family-sized bag of chips, calling it meal prep. Here's the plot twist. Couch potato knows deep down that a happy gut means more energy, less bloating, better sleep, and maybe even better moods. But still, Couch potato keeps choosing junk food. Why? Because chips are fast, soda is easy. Real food takes effort. The question is, can we trick Couch potato brain into craving gut-friendly foods the way it craves candy and carbs? Subscribe, like, and let's find out. Here's what Couch potato doesn't realize. There's a little gossip line between the brain and the gut. It's called the gut-brain axis. Think of it like a 24/7 group chat between your stomach and your head. When Couch potato eats junk food all day, gut bacteria start throwing a party in the wrong direction. The bad microbes take over. They send little chemical messages to the brain like, hey, more sugar, more grease, more chips, don't stop now. And Couch potato listens, because Couch potato is a loyal potato. But when good gut bacteria get fed the right stuff, fiber, fermented food, real nutrients, they start texting the brain with better messages like, hey, how about a walk? Or some veggies? We actually feel kinda amazing right now. A healthy gut doesn't just affect digestion, it affects energy, focus, skin, mood, sleep, and even motivation. So if Couch potato wants to get off the couch, it starts here. Couch potato versus cravings. Let's be real. Couch potato is not lazy. Couch potato is just wired for quick hits. Chips give an instant dopamine blast. Ice cream melts stress in 2 seconds. A salad is just leaves. Where's the fireworks? Couch potato's brain has been trained to expect candy banana levels of dopamine from junk food. The gut microbiome isn't innocent either. Bad bacteria actually scream louder when they're hungry. They make Couch potato crave more sugar. So when Couch potato thinks, I just have no willpower, that's not true. It's not about weak will. It's about a loud gut. To fix this, we don't fight cravings head on. We rewire them. And the fastest way to do that is to feed the good guys in your gut. Food number 1, fiber, the gut vacuum cleaner. Couch potato loves chips because they melt in your mouth like a good nap. But the gut loves fiber. Fiber is like the unsung janitor of your digestive system. It scrubs, it sweeps, it keeps everything moving so your insides don't feel like a traffic jam. There are 2 kinds of fiber. Soluble fiber, oats, beans, apples, soaks up water and creates a smooth, happy gut highway. Insoluble fiber, broccoli, leafy greens, whole grains, acts like a broom, sweeping waste out. The magic? Good gut bacteria throw a party when they get fiber. They ferment it. They create short-chain fatty acids that reduce inflammation, boost immunity, keep cravings quiet. If Couch potato swaps one daily snack for a fiber-rich food, like an apple instead of cookies, the gut starts whispering nicer things in a few days. No boot camp required. Food number 2, fermented foods, the gut party squad. Couch potato likes fizzy soda, but the gut loves fizzy fermentation. Fermented foods, yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, kombucha, are like sending elite reinforcements into your gut. These foods contain living probiotics, good bacteria that march straight into the digestive system and set up camp. They crowd out the bad guys. They balance the gut ecosystem. They lowered inflammation. And best of all, they help Couch potato digest other foods better. Think of it like this. Couch potato's gut is a messy living room. Fermented foods walk in with a mop, a vacuum, and a playlist. Within a week or 2, things feel cleaner, lighter, and less bloated. Food number 3, prebiotics, the gut fuel station. Couch potato hears prebiotic and thinks it's a supplement ad. But nope, prebiotics are simply food for the good bacteria. Bananas, garlic, onions, asparagus, oats. These are prebiotic gold. They feed the probiotics couch potato just ate. No fuel, no function. If probiotics are the gut party guests, prebiotics are the snacks that keep them dancing. And the beauty? Couch potato doesn't have to eat weird health foods. A banana in the morning or adding onions to dinner is enough to keep the gut chorus singing. Food number 4, omega-3 fats, anti-inflammation squad. Couch potato loves greasy fries, but fries don't love couch potato back. Omega-3 fats found in salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds are like fire extinguishers for inflammation, and inflammation is what turns couch potato's gut into a cranky, bloated mess. Omega-3s help the gut lining stay strong. They reduce harmful bacteria and support the growth of good ones. And bonus, they improve brain function, which means less brain fog and more energy to maybe stand up from the couch. Maybe. Food number 5, polyphenols, the gut's secret superfood. Couch potato loves sweets, but here's a sneaky upgrade, polyphenols. Polyphenols are compounds found in colorful plant foods like berries, green tea, dark chocolate, olives, and pomegranates. They act like a security team for your gut lining, fighting off inflammation, nurturing good bacteria, and making the whole gut ecosystem feel like a 5-star spa. Polyphenols don't just feed the gut, they balance it. And a balanced gut means fewer sugar cravings, more stable energy, and way less trauma. Couch potato versus gut detox. Now couch potato might be thinking, so I just eat these 5 things and boom, I'm fixed. Well, kind of, but there's a twist. If couch potato keeps flooding the gut with junk, the good foods can't work their magic. But if couch potato takes a break from ultra-processed foods, even simple real foods start to feel rewarding again. It's not about punishment. It's about resetting the taste buds and the gut bacteria. Start small. 1 day a week with no soda, or swapping a late-night bag of chips for yogurt and berries. Over time, the gut recalibrates. The reward hack. Couch potato doesn't respond well to lectures. Couch potato responds to rewards. So here's the trick. Make gut-friendly habits give dopamine too. Eat a healthy lunch. Reward with a short scroll session. Hit your fiber goal. Reward with a comfy movie night. Drink kombucha instead of soda. Reward with, well, kombucha already feels fancy. Gut health doesn't have to feel like punishment. It can feel like winning. 5